I know you, and you know me, so why are we sleeping separately? Say you love me, and I love you, then we argue, and you need proof. I know you're only hurting cause the person before me broke your heart. And you know it that I notice when we slowly start to fall apart. But no, I'll never give you up. Maybe we just hurt too much. Just hold me till we fall asleep. Cause I say I want you, that I need you, then we argue, and I'm needing proof. Cause my imagination's going crazy, I can't take this no more. And you know it that I notice when we slowly start to fall apart. But no, I'll never give you. Maybe we just hide so much. Or maybe it's just bad. Could still feel better about yourself while I get lost inside a beat. Because it's better for my health. I ain't got no reason to stay mad at you or follow through on past excuses. It's just I'm feeling useless.
I know what it is to be broken and be bold. Tell you that my silver is gold, though we're much too old for make-believe. And I know what it's like to be whole and not be held. Funny how a stomach unfed seem satisfied 'cause it's well and swollen, and you caught me shooting across the sky like a star. But nobody told me to never let it get too far. You see my silhouette, so you're standing scared of me. Oh, can I tell you a secret? My wings are made of plastic. 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 Oh, my wings are made of plastic. My wings are made of plastic, yeah. My wings are made of plastic. My wings are made of plastic. Oh, my wings are made of plastic. 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 Oh, my